Watch how I go from this to this. Stick around. Got a nice log on here. It's not too off. It should be pretty. We'll start at 1275. Alright, what I'm doing right now is I'm just sharpening some of my tools that don't want to play nice. Find out why, and then I'm testing it on here, make sure they cut right. Just need a little bit touch up on the left side. And let's see how this cuts now. Yeah, that cuts nice. Let's see over here. Alright, let's see what I can make out of here. Let's get this totally rounded. Alright, she's coming along. I'll make my handle down here some. Just gotta work a handle in here. If I first get it to the handle I want. Alright, a little smaller, little thumper back. Alright. Alright, that's a good grip. Alright, let me clean that out. Yeah, that feels pretty good. So all I gotta do is just design this up a little bit. This will come off to the top. I'll leave a little double on the top here. This will come down a little bit, and then starting from here, I'll bring it down to the handle. And for the handle, I'm gonna make beads throughout, so that way you can have something to grip on. And that's good. I don't like that though. Okay. Let's just shape this down here. Let's send her up, see what she does. There's a 120, there's an 80, and 240. All right, she done. She looking good, dude. Let's get some lacquer up there. Let this dry here, and we'll come back and put another coat. Actually, you know what? I'll bring you back when I'm done. All right, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put some beeswax on here and then buff her out and see what she's like. I'm sure this thing's gonna be pretty sweet. Down here, I'll take this off, part it off right down here. Be nice and easy. Let's go ahead and work it in. Let's get going. I don't mind doing beads, but it is a pain when you gotta shine around it. All right, let's turn it up a little bit more. All right, folks, that's it. She's done. Let's go ahead and get this taken care of in the back. Got the glasses on. Part this bad boy off right there, and then go to the other end and part it. Leave that one there for now. Let's come down here. All right, we will stop there and cut the rest of it. Let's see, what side I want to cut first? All right, I'm gonna cut this side first. All right, I think that's it. And now this side. All right, that's it. All right, twist that off and sand that down a little bit. This came off nice. I just Sand this down a little bit. Now let me get a little bit of wax put on here just to finish her off. Nice coat up here. See, put you over here. Alright, put that on. Alright, stop this for a second. Alright, turn it around. Start it back up. And that should take care of the buffing for this side. Alright, she done. So here we go. Nice little thumper. Not too big. Fits nice in the hand. I like it. Hope you all liked the video. Until the next one. See ya.